Good morning everyone. Today we will be discussing the factors that affects a personality of an individual. There are various factors that influences the personality of an individual. We will be discussing these factors. The first factor is the hereditary of an individual. What he actually is transmitted to an individual from the ancestors, that is the facial expressions, the temperament, the various you can say traits of the parents that is being transferred from one person to his child. Then we talk about the brain of an individual, that is the biological factor that is being influenced in the personality. That is the brain, how he actually makes the decisions, what is his understanding level, that affects the personality of an individual. The temperament, that is the temperament is basically the degree to which a person responds emotionally. The emotional temperament of an individual affects the personality of an individual. If you talk about the interest, whatever the interest a person has, that also affects the personality of that particular individual. That is why the organization goes for job rotation and job you can say training to the employees, so that the interest of the person could be known, and that person could be carry forward, or his career should be carry forward in that particular direction itself. If you talk about the motives, that is the inner drive of an individual that derives him to achieve the organizational goals. So the motive of the individual towards the goals of the organization, as well as the motives, should satisfy the individual inner desires. Then only both individual motives as well as the organizational motives could be satisfied. If you talk about the physical traits of an individual, that is the physical appearance. The good physical appearance is basically an asset for an individual. For the person who is doing a job as a salesperson, or you can say a person with a public relation person that has a good personality trait, that automatically influences a person. If you talk about the family factors, that is the social economic level of the family size, the race, the religion the person belongs to, and the parental educational level that influences an individual. If you talk about the social factors, that is the surroundings the person is, his living standard, the status of the family influences the societal level of the individual. If you talk about the situational factor, that is the demand of different situation may call for different aspects of one's personality. So situation also influences the personality of an individual. Thank you.